Day 7. I'm on a boat heading to Koh Tao. No, I'm not. Ko Tao. Good afternoon from Hua Hin. So behind me, you can see, is a big hill. It's a Buddhist temple up there. Anyway, I do know that. Well, I've read there's like aggressive monkeys and aggressive dogs. So, yeah. We've got some monkeys having sex. Look, this guy's going at it again. Oh, god damn it. What is this place? It's like a bloody monkey orgy. Oh, come in here and look, there's no toilet roll. Oh, mate.
Please, the arriving train is the rapid train number 171 from...
You know when you go to the urinal and you give it a little shake afterwards? I had to do that with my arm. And do you know what makes it worse? I've just remembered I've got a pack of tissues in my bag. That all could have been avoided pretty easily.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay. I've gone cut. I was going to have a word with this taxis over here. They were all like, get a motorbike. It's a f***ing long way. And they were like, I was like, how much? He was like, 300. I was like, nah, too much. I can get a grab for like 230. Hello, taxi? Moonshine? Yeah.
500 baht.
500?
Yeah.
Bruh. This man here is saying 250 baht. Trying to barter him down to 200.
Whoa.
He said 6. 250.
Yeah.
Make. I'll meet you there. 220. How's that? Hey.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Hey, good man. Alright, we're doing it. Let's go. Moonshine, baby. Moonshine all the way. Yeah. So look at how quiet it is here, like compared to where I've just been. I mean, right on cue and you hear a load of engine noises. But imagine Bangkok a couple of days ago. What the hell? I've never been somewhere so busy. And now look at this. It's lovely. I've literally been driving now for about 25 minutes. Starting to feel a bit bad about bartering. This is how you know when sticks.
Yeah.
That was a massive snake. That was literally, right, stretched out, probably about 10 foot long. Like, not, I mean, you saw it, it was massive. Wow, Nong, that was crazy, that.
Lướm.
Yeah, love it. Yeah, massive. Whoa, brother. That was a long journey. 220.
Yeah.
Mate,
ขอบคุณครับ
listen, thank you very much. I want to pay you more money because that was a big mission. So listen, there's 1,000
You know.
for you. Thank you. Cup and cup.
You know.
Man wants to get a selfie.
Khop kun kap.
Cup and cup. Thank you very much, man.
Cup.
Thank you. I just felt a bit bad about like lowballing them, and like all the other guys were like 500, like 400, and then he comes up and he's like 250, and I'm like, nah, 220, mate. Let's go and find out where I'm staying. Good morning. It is 6:30 a.m. and we're just about to go and get the ferry to Koh Tao. So I'm gonna have to walk it. It's about half an hour walk. Hoping I don't get attacked by any dogs. Man, I don't even know where I'm going. There's a big old dog there as well. Yeah, I need to get Google Maps out. Sorry, Cav. Can I give you like 20 baht? Take me to ferry. Can you ride me on your bike? If I give you money? No? Okay. Man doesn't want to take my money. I swear there's this dog that's following me though. I'm proper scared, not gonna lie. Right, look at these two big f***s. Oh, stay away from me, please. Yep, yes, please, yes.
Turn right.
Thank you, brother. You're my hero. Right, I'm going to take it slow for a bit first. Whoa! Gee. So yeah, I was just literally going along the road. I don't know where we are, but it looks like this is actually a big deal because I've just had to pay like 50 baht to get in. So apparently there's like a sick viewpoint up here, the John Suan viewpoint. Not gonna lie, this is pretty treacherous. Whoa! Check that out. Oh my days. We are literally in paradise now, ladies and gentlemen. This is madness. This is proper hard climb, innit? Jesus. Right? Wouldn't be so bad if I was actually wearing trainers. But flip-flops make it a bloody mission. And I've got like no hands as well because I'm holding the camera and I'm holding this bottle with the other hand. So it's extra hard. God, it's a bit full on, isn't it? Jesus. Where's the cable car?
Yeah.
Is it worth it? Is the view good?
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah.
To see both sides, really.
Oh, yes. Amazing.
And it's not so far.
Oh, really?
No.
No,
really not.
1 kilometer or so.
No. It's
Not far at all then. Oh, that's okay. Jokers. Is it easier coming down or going up?
Going up is way easier.
Is it? Oh no.
It is.
Oh. Right guys, I'm actually going to put you down because I need both my hands for this. So yeah, see you at the top.
Okay, Nick, we can...
Jesus Christ. Like, what the f was that?
My friend gave up halfway.
I saw her, man. I had a little chat with her.
She was like, I can't do it.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't know if I can.
Nah, good for you.
Let's do this.
You got this. Oh shit. Do you reckon it's good to ride the road?
I don't know.
Never been here before.
Nah, same. I haven't either.
It's our first day with the bike as well. So.
Yeah, same. Yeah, I'm gonna follow him.
Yeah, good. Good luck.
Yeah, cheers. Yeah, look how far I've got to go. Oh God, what have I done? Oh, I don't think I should bother. This is f***ing ridiculous. I decided to go back. You can do it though. Be confident. I know you can do it. I don't want to pass my. Well, yeah, but I don't want to pass my fear on to you. Do you know what I mean?
It was already there. Let's go. I mean, as long as we just take it easy,
Yeah.
it should be okay.
Yeah, all right, let's do it. Let's do it. What an absolute hero. Can be my hero, baby. Whoa. Whoa, Black Betty. Okay, so this is where we've come. Now you tell me, was that bike ride worth it? Ooh. Whoa. Jeez. We're deep in hippie territory now, I think. I imagine there's going to be a lot of crusty looking people down it. Definitely going to see a Rasta hat or two. Probably a massive dread as well at some point. Bit different to mainland Thailand, isn't it, really? Dogs are like super friendly here. Bob Marley in the background. Different vibes here. Like I said, proper crusty, but you know, I'm here for it. There's fit birds everywhere. Tell you what, there's something about beer in the sea. It's just better. Whoa, look at these guys. Hello. Hello. You jumping on your tail for me? Yes! We had a good interaction with the dog. Yes! So I left the sunset early because I don't know, I'm just feeling really sad. Been feeling it all day, to be honest, and it's just trippy to me how I can be in the most beautiful place in the world, arguably the most beautiful place in the world, and you know, I feel sad. I think what it is, it's like I'm lacking a real sense of human connection on these trips on my own. A genuine connection. Not ones that you find when you've just met somebody and you have a beer with them and stuff, and or like, you know, you do a beach day with them or something. Like, I mean, like real deep connection. Yeah, this happened to me in Croatia. And I ended up coming home. But the realisation that I got when I was there was that I desperately want a relationship with somebody who, I don't know, everything just works. But I'm feeling that now, again. I know what I need to do, and that is find myself my partner in life. And so, with that being said, perfect timing. We'll continue this later on.